Simple and powerful CNC programming is essential when machining any part in the automotive industry. Esprit's 5-axis port roughing strategy is used for machining challenging parts like engine ports, intake and exhaust tubes, and pump and compressor inlets and outlets. The Esprit port roughing strategy produces a CNC program that guides the tool through a restricted opening. This strategy removes metal as needed, while following a spline curve to reach the opposite end of the port. The programmer will only need to enter a starting profile, an ending profile, and a spline profile that defines the tool path. This strategy also allows you to use special tools, like a lollipop, to obtain optimal finishing. Esprit's 5-axis port roughing and finishing strategy will ensure your part is completed correctly the first time.